If you are someone who always struggles to poo or defecate, this video is specially made for you. Or maybe you've been struggling to lose weight, you've tried all your possible best, but still there's no result. I want you to watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you how to cook this soup, this particular soup. Okay, we call it Ewedu in Yoruba language. It is also called jute leaf or Egyptian spinach. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Neatly pluck your Ewedu leaf out of the sticks. As you can see the way I'm sorting my hair, take time and ensure that you sort it out. At times it used to come with some forms of unwanted leaves, so take your time to sort it properly so that you don't give your family what you don't know about. All right, so you just try and get this done. Okay, so now that I'm done sorting it out, the next step is to cook the jute leaf. Okay, as you can see, I have a little portion of water in the pot. Ensure that you have rinsed the jute leaf thoroughly, okay, so that there will be no residual of sand while you are done cooking. Okay, so now I'm done doing that, and I'm going to add some other ingredients that I'm going to make use of in cooking this. Okay, so now as you can see, I want to add bicarbonate. We call it corn in Yoruba language. Okay, so I've added the bicarbonate. That is the item that will soften the ewedu, and of course iru locust bean. Okay, that is this particular iru. It's going to give it a super taste. Without iru, what is ewedu? You just must add it whenever you are cooking ewedu. Okay, and also there's this thing I'm going to add. It's not even necessarily needed. Okay, I'm going to melon. Okay, in this melon I've already added crayfish and uziza seed. If you have children at home, it's very good to add melon whenever you are cooking ewedu because it usually helps in detoxing the children body. As you all know that at times children as well, they usually find it difficult to poo due to all the sugary stuff that they might have eaten. So now I want to cook the ewedu. As you can see, all is set. Don't add anything yet. Okay, ensure that you did not add salt or what is it called, or Maggi before it is done. You can see it is almost done here. So all you just have to do is to stir it thoroughly, and you can use your hand to press it in order to know if the corn has already softened. Okay, so now you can see I'm still trying to stir it. You can see, even you can see for yourself through the video that the ewedu is already softened. Okay, so the next thing is to match everything together in order to bring out a firmer result. So you can see the way I'm doing it. You can get a broom to do this at the market, but since we are in a civilized world, if you go to the market, you can ask for something like this. I think this is quite safer than that broom we used before in the past. Okay, but it depends on how you want it though. It doesn't matter. If you know how to take care of it, you can go with the broom whenever you want to cook the ewedu. So you can see, just see, some people, a lot of people used to complain that they don't know how to cook this thing, that if they cook it, it does not used to draw. So this is even one of my reasons for coming up with this video. Ewedu is not hard to cook. Okay, just follow all the steps in this video. You can see how the melon, you can see the look the lemon make the ewedu to have. Okay, if you have children at home, please, whenever you want to cook ewedu, always ensure to add little melon in the ewedu. You will see how your children will be defecating so easy. You will not be having any form of issue. Try and be giving them time to time. And let me now bust your bubble. Do you guys know that ewedu also aids in weight loss? Okay, and it also helps with any form of cardiovascular issue. If you have anyone around you who are suffering from any form of heart issue, ensure that you're giving them ewedu. You see this particular soup, it comes with a lot of health benefits. I'm serious, and I'm even talking from experience. I could remember there was a time I was pregnant, and my dad taught me to be cooking this thing. I think around 9 months, when I was about 36 weeks. Okay, he said I should be cooking it, and I should add what is it called, original honey, pure honey. So that should be taking 1 spoon in the morning and 1 spoon before bed. Do you know that I took this thing all through until 40 weeks, and the day of delivery, God, this delivery does not even take me 40 minutes. I am talking from experience. If you have someone that is close to you, if you have a pregnant woman close to you, please teach them that Ewedu is very good. Ewedu and honey, you don't add anything to that. I will come up with a video on that later. Wow, you can see the Ewedu is all ready. If you want to cook it, please ensure that you have just a pinch of salt is good. At times, I don't add salt because the local bean usually come with salt, all right? So, and you know, too much of all these things is not really good for the body, and ensure that the quantity of maggi is little as well. Okay, all these things are not really good for the body. You can see the portion I made use in my own video. And if you like, you may even leave it like that without adding maggi or salt, because the crayfish alone is sweet. Okay, as you all know that too much of all these things is not really nice for the body. Thank you so much for watching, and to all my returning and new subscribers, I love you all. Thank you so much for sticking by, and if you have any question about this video, please leave your comments in the comment section, and I would love to know where you guys are watching this video from. Let me know where you are watching from in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.